Hands. Let's work our hands. We can box too. We can box too. Head movement, head movement, head movement. Kicks. Kicks for days. Steven. There we go. 2-3. 2-3. 2-3. There we go. He's tired. Off the end. Front teeth.
Nice. Remember the relax. If he starts throwing punches, you gotta twist and wiggle, alright? Move your head. Watch the arm. Don't worry about that. It's gonna hurt a little bit. Let him punch your stomach. Alright?
Better him punch you in the stomach than in the face.
You're gonna need to get an elbow out and go down the back door. You gotta move.
Gotta move.
Finishes. We got short time.
Come on, finish him.
Body head, body head.
He's gonna take that arm. You better cross your arms better.
Better defend yourself.
Tap.